Yesterday I told you the summary, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. The introduction of.
That was the summary and you understood it. The summary you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
of this proverb, a thing of beauty gives us
Yes,
everlasting.
ma'am.
समझ
Yes,
में आ गया था?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ, कि कोई भी
Yes, ma'am.
ब्यूटी है ना, any beautiful object, okay? अब मैंने कहा था beautiful object can be a living thing or a non-living thing, right? So we always memorize it. It is fixed in our mind, and whenever we are reminded of that beautiful object, it gives us joy. Means एक non-ending joy होता है, चाहे अभी याद करें, चाहे हम कुछ सालों बाद याद करें, ओके? तो जब भी याद करते हैं तो एक तरह की हमें खुशी मिलती है. Got it? तो मैंने बताया था this poem, it was an extract taken from Endymion, written by John Keats. He was an excellent writer, a British romantic poet he was, but unfortunately due to illness he died at a very young age. He was hardly 25 years of age when he died. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we begin with the poem now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Look into the books and you can write down the meaning if you desire to, if you wish to.
Yes.
A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness. Okay. Now the writer, he begins his poem by saying that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Means always and always a thing of beauty gives us joy. हमेशा ही joy देता है, non-ending joy to us. Its loveliness increases, and what happens, children, with the passage of time, you know, the beauty of that beautiful object, it increases. Okay, it will never pass into nothingness, means it never disappears, the beauty never disappears, the beauty never fades away. समझ में आ गया? The beauty never vanishes. With the passage of time, as and when you remember that beautiful object, you know, the beauty of it, you know, it increases. Why? Because you have a desire to remember it. Okay, it gives you non-ending joy, everlasting joy. So it is never equivalent to zero. It always has value. The beauty increases with the passage of time, as and when you remember it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or should I
Yes, ma'am.
explain
Yes,
it
ma'am.
again? वापस से
No,
समझाऊं?
ma'am.
समझ आ गया? Everybody?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Clear.
Okay. But we'll keep a bower quiet for us. Now, whenever we are reminded of the beautiful thing, you know, it gives us strength. And bower, you know, it is like a shady tree. Shady tree, you got it? A big tree that gives you shade. Shade समझते हो ना, जो छाया देता है. तो उस पेड़ की तरह होती है ये ब्यूटी, यानी ये ब्यूटीफुल ऑब्जेक्ट. राइटर उसको कंपेयर करते हैं, and he says that it gives us shade. Okay, when you stand under the shade, beta, what do you feel? What do you feel?
Ma'am, very calm and peaceful.
Very good. You feel very calm. Okay, you are at peace, and you want to just sit and have a nap, you know, a good sleep you would like to enjoy. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Under the shady tree, you know what happens? The shade is like a blessing, it is like a boon to us. And when we sit under the tree, okay, lot of peace is there, lot of contentment is there, and we would like to have a very good sleep, a very sound sleep. And after having the sound sleep, we feel very relaxed. Clear or not?
Yes,
अच्छी
ma'am.
नींद लेने के बाद कैसा फील होता है? We feel healthy, isn't it?
Yes.
We feel relaxed,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
similarly, the writer says that it is like a shady tree under which we got under which we get lot and lot of relaxation. We get good peace, nice peace and calmness we get, and we enjoy a sound sleep, and because of it we feel very healthy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
will keep a bower quiet for us and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Quiet breathing, relaxation. Okay? So, a thing of beauty gives us non-ending joy. And with the passage of time, its loveliness, its beauty, it increases better. It always has value. It is never equivalent to nothingness, means it is never equivalent to zero. But it is almost like a shady tree that gives us peace and contentment, that gives us a very sound sleep, a very good sleep. Okay? And after having a good sleep, we feel very healthy and relaxed. Clear? All the 5 lines clear or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Each and everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? अब बेटा, what happens the other day, yesterday when I was doing the summary, what I said, यदि a day before, last night, यदि कुछ ऐसा horrifying हो जाता है, कोई ऐसे incidents you come across, or if you see a very dirty movie, है ना, horror movie and all, you're not going to have a sound sleep. You're not going to have a good sleep. Are you?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
You are not.
ma'am.
If
No,
you see a
ma'am.
horror movie, na, the whole night you will be restless. You would be restless. है ना? You will not
Yes,
enjoy
ma'am.
a very good sleep. And when you do not enjoy a good sleep early in the morning, a person never feels healthy. Do we?
No, ma'am.
Sometimes it happens, among our friends also. कोई friend पूछती भाई आज इतनी dull क्यों है? Whole night I couldn't sleep. कल ऐसा हो गया था, वैसा हो गया था, इसलिए I did not have a very good sleep, sound sleep. इसलिए you are feeling very unhealthy in the morning. लेकिन कोई बहुत अच्छी मूवी देखोगे या कुछ ऐसे अच्छे लोगों से मिलोगे या you will come across some kind of beauty, तो क्या होगा? You would be very happy within your heart also, and you are going to enjoy a very good sleep better, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you
Yes.
will have a deep sound sleep early in the morning, you would be fresh. You would feel very fresh. और जब fresh feel करोगे तो sure है you would be healthy, है ना, और relaxed रहोगे. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
अब आगे writer he says that therefore on every morrow are we wreathing. Morrow is morning time and wreathing is making a flowery band. Band is a garland, a band of flowers to bind us to the earth. Now the writer says human being, he always tries to attach himself, है ना, with this beautiful earth. तो हम इस beautiful earth से जुड़े रहें, इसलिए every morning, morning again a beautiful time. How many of you see early morning? Nobody, I hope.
Ma'am, I saw.
Vijayalakshmi,
Ma'am, I saw.
Yes, ma'am.
every morning you
Yes,
get up
ma'am.
early. Every morning you get up.
Yes,
What time,
Yes,
Vijayalakshmi?
ma'am.
Don't lie, okay? Don't
ma'am,
lie.
at 5.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock, really?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you're not lying.
Ma'am, except ma'am, except when I was too tired.
Okay. Otherwise you get up, and what time do you go to bed?
At 11.
At 11.
11 o'clock. Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you go to bed at 11, then too early you rise up. At least at 10 o'clock you must go to bed, and then you must wake up at 5 o'clock. 7 hours sleep we must have, a very sound sleep we must have during night. 7 hours sleep.
Ma'am, I am habitual because of
Habitual though, but under rest you'll become. Okay, even we
Yes, ma'am.
teachers are under rest हो जाओगे. Even we teachers are habitual of getting up at 4 o'clock. लेकिन when there is a holiday or when you do not require to get up at 4 o'clock because you go to bed late at night, okay, तब तो आप late उठ सकते हैं 6
Yes,
o'clock
ma'am.
around. तो जल्दी सोने की
Yes,
कोशिश
ma'am.
करिए ना. आप 5 बजे उठते हैं. This is very good. And what do you do when you get up at 5 o'clock? Just go and sit outside here. Go on the terrace and sit there and just
Ma'am, go ahead.
enjoy the fresh breeze, the fresh wind. क्या करती हो
मैम
विजय लक्ष्मी?
सूरज को जल 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 अर्पण करते.
अरे जल अर्पण तो करती हो, but early in the morning you take bath.
Yes, ma'am. Then
So when you get up at 5 o'clock, do some exercise nearly for 15 minutes, at least 10 to 15 minutes early in the morning. Okay? कुछ योगे की exercise कर लिया करो 10 to 15 minutes. And then relax for some time,
Okay,
take
ma'am.
bath. ठीक है? Go in the open space. कितनी fresh air रहती है early in the
Okay,
morning.
ma'am. From tomorrow I
Isn't it?
will do also.
हाँ, just do it बेटा. अभी तो हमारे स्कूल्स भी नहीं है तो टाइम इतना है हमारे पास, है ना? Okay, fine now.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
इसलिए every morning again a beautiful time. Are we making a flowery band? Again, flowers a thing of beauty. और उनकी band यानी उनकी माला बनाते so that we might be attached, we might remain connected to this beautiful earth. Now see in the next 4 to 5 lines, okay, maybe 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 lines, 5.5 lines, the poet, he mentions all the negative things, all the negativity that exists in a human being's life. Means in spite of being very disappointed, in spite of having good people on this earth, see what he says now, write it. Spite of despondences, despair or disappointment, of the inhuman dearth of noble nature. Inhuman dearth means you do not have good people, lack of good people on this earth. Means in spite of despair, in spite of disappointment, in spite of having good people on this earth, of the gloomy days, in spite of the sad days, of all the unhealthy and over-darkened ways made for our searchings. And a person, you know, he just adopts all the evil ways to fulfill his dreams, his aims, his ambitions in life. So the writer says that though a person has lot of negativity in his life, he is disappointed. Okay, he is not happy. Why? Because he doesn't see good people around him. Whenever he comes across, he meets selfish people, he meets hypocrites, you know, he meets double-faced people, he meets cheaters, you know, one who betrays him. So he becomes very much sad that बहुत कमी है अच्छे लोगों की. And instead of the gloomy days that he's facing, you know, gloomy sad days जो वो face कर रहा है, कह रहा है इन सब चीजों के बावजूद भी, okay, या फिर कोई बहुत बुरे रास्ते उसने unhealthy ways he might have adopted in his life, you know, to fulfill his aim or ambitions or to earn money. So in spite of all this negativity, listen carefully. If any shape of beauty means if anything beautiful we remember, if we are reminded of any beautiful object, okay, what happens? The sadness that exists in our hearts, the darkness that exists in our heart, it removes away this darkness. That beautiful object removes away the darkness from our hearts. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आ गया? यानी इन स्पाइट ऑफ ऑल द नेगेटिविटी. अब नेगेटिविटी क्या होती है? पर्सन इज डिसअपॉइंटेड, पर्सन इज चीटेड बिकॉज there are not many good people on this earth. Okay, lot of bad people are there on this earth, you know, lack of good people is there. So he is being cheated, he is being betrayed. That is why he is very sad, he is disappointed. And then he faced many gloomy days in his life, many sad days. And then he adopt all the bad ways, evil ways to earn money, to achieve, to fulfill his aims, aspirations, dreams or desires. So the writer says, in spite of all this, some shape of beauty means anything beautiful that comes before a person's eyes or that he is reminded of moves away the pall from a dark spirit. It moves away the curtain of sadness that exists in a spirit, that exists in a heart. समझ में आया?
No, ma'am.
विजयलक्ष्मी नहीं आया?
No, ma'am.
Why, beta? Who else did not understand? See, lot of negativity is there in a person's life.
Yes, ma'am.
You agree with it?
Yes,
So many
ma'am.
times even we are disappointed, beta. होते हैं ना हम disappointed. Many times we are cheated by our friends and by the persons we know or by somebody else.
Yes, ma'am.
तो हम बहुत दुखी हो जाते हैं. We become very sad कि there is lack of good people exist on this earth. You know, very few good people are there on this earth. है ना, चारों तरफ बहुत गंदे लोग हैं. We become very sad, isn't it? Then
Yes,
so
ma'am.
many times we face gloomy days. बहुत sad days होते हैं जिसमें हम काफी suffer करते हैं.
Yes,
Lot
ma'am.
of sufferings we face. Okay, कई बार इंसान जीवन में, you know, we see many people, you know, they adopt evil ways, bad ways, है ना, गलत रास्ता चुनते हैं to earn lot and lot of money.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, to fulfill their aims, their dreams or their ambitions.
Yes, ma'am.
होता है ना. तो इसका मतलब lot of negativity is there in a person's heart, in a person's mind or in a person's life. बहुत negativity है.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसकी वजह से इंसान, you know, काफी दुखी रहता है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
अब गलत रास्ते वो अपना रहा है तो he is not relaxed. उसका कॉन्शियस तो उसको अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है ना, बट ही हैज टू अर्न बिकॉज ही हैज दिस ग्रीड ऑफ अर्निंग इट. He has this greed, you know, of earning more and more money. He has this greed of fulfilling his aim or ambition. He knows very well within his heart that he is doing something wrong, but still he continues to do it. क्रिमिनल को मालूम है कि मैंने मर्डर करा या चोरी करी, I have done something wrong, but still he had done it, isn't it? तो अंदर से तो he is not happy. बेटा खुश रहता है क्या वो अंदर से? He is not happy at all. हमेशा एक टेंशन में रहते हैं ऐसे इंसान, you know, कि कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, आप दुखी हो तो भी आप टेंशन में हो. आपको किसी ने चीट करा है, then also you are in tension, you are not happy, you are sorrowful. Disappointed हो तो हुई. ओके, तो ऐसे समय all negativity is there in you.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. और कहीं ना कहीं एक सैडनेस, एक सॉरो एग्जिस्ट करती है ना हमारे अंदर.
Yes, ma'am.
तो ऐसे समय में when you see something beautiful before your eyes, okay, कुछ beautiful आप देखते हो अपनी आंखों के सामने, समझ में आया? जो आपको beautiful लगता है, बहुत सुंदर लगता है, या कोई ऐसी ब्यूटी यू आर रिमाइंडेड ऑफ, कोई ब्यूटीफुल सीन, कोई ब्यूटीफुल पर्सन, कोई ब्यूटीफुल ऑब्जेक्ट, है ना, आपको याद आ जाता है, तो क्या होता है बेटा? what happens? जो sadness आपके अंदर exist होती है, that goes away.
Yes,
होता
ma'am.
है
You
कि
feel
नहीं?
relaxed.
हाँ, and you feel somewhat very much relaxed, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you have a fight with your friend and you're very disturbed, you are not at peace. Okay, बहुत दुखी हो. कोई आता है पैचअप करा देता है and you and your friend, they both of you forget all the differences and you hug each other. And again you become best friends. What happened? That act was an act of beauty, isn't it?
Ma'am.
The reunion of you and your friend, that was an act of beauty, isn't it? कोई बहुत सुंदर चीज हुई ना आपके साथ, तो क्या हुआ? वो दुख आपका चला गया ना, जो आप पहले दुखी थे. समझ रहे हो कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am. Yes,
अब आ
ma'am.
गया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so any beautiful object, it removes the sadness that exists in our heart. When we are reminded of any beautiful object, the sadness that exists in our hearts, despite of all the negativities, the sadness, it goes away, all the negativity, it vanishes away. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Vijayalakshmi, you understood?
yes, ma'am.
You have taken a long time to understand it. But have you understood it, sure?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay, fine. Now, as it is already time, and listen, children, keep on updating the school app. Play Store पे जाना और school app को update करना. On Thursday, okay, online test, practice test, I'm going to publish it. समझ गए?
Okay,
आपके
ma'am.
ऐप पर ही दिख जाएगा. तो उससे पहले ही आज और कल आप अपने स्कूल ऐप को अपडेट कर लीजिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
which
Okay, ma'am.
chapter? Ma'am, which
Huh?
chapter?
Chapter 3rd and
Which
4th will
chapter?
take better. 3rd and 4th. Deep water and
Okay,
red
ma'am.
thread.
okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
beta.
you,
God
ma'am.
bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you.